get a chance to, put a face to the names, and you get, to hug people, and they give you information sometimes that you just don't get on the calls. You can get in a corner somewhere and have a conversation with someone and just get some nuggets that's caught from them that you may not be taught in class. And I just want to say, if you ever have the opportunity and you're so close that you can come to an event, guys, get there, get there, get there. It was phenomenal for me. And thank you so much, Mike, for letting me speak. And I wish you guys have a great week this week.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. It was a pleasure meeting you in person. Been seeing you on the Zooms, got a chance to connect with the vibe, and looking forward for some amazing things in that North Carolina market from you and the team. So thank you so much.